Yeah, welcome to my channel. My name is Soap. I want to share with you how you can edit your video. We have some editing app that you can use. We have InShot, we have Capcut, we have KeyMaster and video editing app. You can get them from your Play Store or Apple Store. So you can download it on your phone or your laptop. So the app we are going to use today is Capcut. I'm going to show you how you can use Capcut to edit your video. So you have done a very long video and you want to reduce it to the barest minimum. So you open your Capcut. You know where you have saved it on your gallery. When you have opened your Capcut, it will now take you to new project. So you click the new project, and that new project will take you to your gallery where you save your videos. So you can now select the video that you want to edit. So the new project, once you have click it will take you to your video. You click add. So when you click add, it will now take you to where you start doing the editing. So in this editing area, you see this row, the row there, that you see the arrow, these three arrow, the row, and the ruler, the vertical line is the ruler. So you're not scrolling to any direction, and this other one is the play and the pause icon. So you can pause it or you play it. So what you do is for you to be able to know how to use all these functions. So you see the up one there, the video amendment or changes you are doing, you'll be seeing it on the upper screen. So you'll be seeing them. So in this down one, the row area, if once you just touch that row, it will highlight. The row will highlight, so you can now be able to use the editing functions. So all this one that you're seeing these arrows down there, they are the editing functions that you can use when you just click the row. If you just touch the row, it will highlight and show you all the functions that you can use to edit your video. So the next thing for you to do is to click the icon, and once the editing functions comes, you can be able to split, speed, and delete, and do other functions in it. So what we're going to do is how to split. You have to split it and share it to different segments. So you click the roll, and the roll will be highlighted. So you can now split it. You just scroll it to any direction you want to split. Then you click the split. Once you have clicked the split, you have divided your videos to different segments. So you can see that the split I've divided into two segments. So I can divide into several segments, and whatever I do in one segment, it will not affect the other segment. That is why the split is very important, so that we're able to know the area, that the section that the section that you want to edit. So it's very easy for you to edit when you divide into different segments. So you know the segment that you want to edit, the segment that you want to delete or remove out of the video, and the segment that you want to speed. For you to do all these functions, you need to be able to know how to reduce the volume and do other changes. So now that you know how to divide it into different segments through splitting, so the next thing is for you to know how to reduce the volume or increase the volume. So once you have done that, you're able to know how to delete or you're able to speed the video. So before you speed your video, you make sure you, in that section that you want to speed your video, make sure you have removed the volume. So once you have removed the volume, you can now put speed on your video. So I'm going to show you how you can add volume or remove volume from your video. The original volume that comes with the video, how you can remove it and add voiceover. But that voiceover will be another video that I'm going to show you. But this one that I'm showing you now is how to increase the speed and delete some unwanted clips from your video. So this my video is just like 16 minutes. I want to show you how you can reduce it to barest minimum. The clip on the video that you don't want the public to see, that is what you delete from your video. Once you have been able to identify it, then you can now do the splitting, the speeding of the video. So what you do is for you to touch the row, then you now click the split. Then when you split it, you now see the icon, the split. It will indicate it. You see it will show that you have separated it on the row, the down row there. So when you have seen it, you just touch that row, and it will now highlight. Once you have highlighted, you can undo it. Then that icon show that you can refresh. Then you can edit it to different functions. You can use all these functions to edit your video. Working on today is how to speed your video, how to delete your video, to delete some unwanted clips from your video and to resize it to the desired length. Before you start using this function, you need to reduce the volume of your video. So you see the volume there. When you click the volume, you can either increase it or you reduce it.
So we want to teach you how to draw the flake skirt now before we add it to our skirt. So this is how you're going to work on the flake skirt.
So you can see that I've reduced it to the barest minimum, 0. So you cannot hear the voice of the original voice of the video. You can't hear the original voice of the video because I've reduced it. So once you have reduced this, you can now click on the row. See that row that is going, the vertical, the ruler that is vertical and the 2 horizontal line, that is the row. So you click it. Once you have clicked it, so you can now split. When you split it, you have segmented it. The area that you split has been separated from has been separated. So you can now do your amendment. You can remove the unwanted parts or you split that segmented part. So this part that I've splitted now, I want to remove it. So I've splitted both sides. So once I've done that, I've splitted both sides. When I click the delete icon, if I click the delete icon, it will be deleted from the video. So that clip I deleted, I don't want the viewer to see it. It's not necessary for them to see. So the next one I'm going to do is for me to split on both sides again. Scroll and see the area that I want to speed. I will now click on both sides and split it. So after I split, I'll now click speed. Then when you click speed, it will take you to normal. So from that normal, you will now see the speed duration. You can scroll it to any direction, increase the speed to 100% or 2%. So I increase this one to 5%. So I want to play it and see how fast it is. So you can see, and this one is not, this segment area I did not speed it because I've already separated it. So this one is now playing in the normal level. So once you separate them like that, you can speed some part and not speed some parts. So it depends on how you want the video to play, right? So that's how you're going to segment it. So the usefulness of this segment is for you to be able to know the part that you speed. So when you are doing that, you'll be clicking on the row. Once you click the row, the editing app will come out. Then you now be splitting both sides. You scroll and take it to the direction of where you want to split. Make sure you split on both sides so you're able to separate the video and know the length of where you want to segment. So once you just click the speed, click the duration, the normal, then you go to where the duration is and adjust it. It will shrink it. It will bring it together. So it will not be lengthy again. It will shrink that area that you segmented, shrink it together. So the separated side will be narrowed, not be broad again. It will not be wide anymore. So that is the usefulness of adjusting your video. So as you are doing it, you'll be seeing that the duration, the timing is reducing. So that's how you'll be reducing the timing of the video. Segment it, separate it one after the other. Know the area that you want to add speed, know the area that you don't want to add speed, right? So once you have known the area you want to add speed, you know the area you don't want to add speed, it will make the video to be interesting when people are viewing it. It will not be boring because you have removed some unwanted clips. Then you speed up some part that didn't want the audience to waste time on. You speed it. That's how you're going to do it until you complete the editing of the video. After you have done all the adjustments you want to do, you can now play the video and see how fast it is. Once you are done with the splitting and speeding of the video and removing of the unwanted clips, the next thing for you to do is to add voiceover. So the voiceover will be in my next video. I will show you how you can add voiceover to your video. Once you are done with the editing of your video, the next thing for you to do is to go to export and export the video.